This is designed in Britain by our development team driver, Craig Harris. And this piece drastically improved reliability and performance of our original GTB. It comes with this lay shaft and also these two pieces of slipper pads. So works magic. So before we do that, what we have to do is to the GTB. This is the championship winning chassis. This is the rear bell, the front bell. This is the slipper shaft. Slipper assembly with the spur here. This is white because I installed the white edition. Normal is black, so you want to take this out. So take this away. So now we have the shaft system. The pulley is supposed to go here before it flew off. So we have the bearing here, the pulley attached to the slipper plate, and then goes onto the slipper pad, spur gear, and then another pad, another plate, another pulley, and then the lock nut. First of all, I want to take everything apart. So we use a 7mm wrench okay. I need to take this off, so I'll need to unlock this. Okay, there you go. So remove the slipper nut, the lock nut, the spring, the bearing holder, also the pulley. So we have the pulley, okay, and the other pulley with the plastic piece installed. Now there's a little pin here, so we want to take this out. So get this pin out. Stop it. There you go. Okay. Don't lose this pin. Now you want to take this slipper plate out. Then you take this whole thing out. There's a bearing here. Don't lose that. Okay. And then you want to take this slipper sheet off because you won't be, so this is a bearing, so you won't need this. You won't be needing this anymore. You won't be needing this anymore. And then you can slide this piece off, and you need this pin. So the old shaft you don't need anymore. Okay. Well, next, so you need this now. So what we have is the thumb design lay shaft. So what we do now is everything goes back to original. Okay. Now we have the bearing that sits here. Okay. So bearing sits on this side, and so we have the pin. And then you want to push this inside. Okay. And then you want to push this inside and align so that the pin locks to the slots here. So there you go. So that's one. So you don't need this. Okay. Then you want to use this thumb design slipper pad here, and then put the bearing back inside in the middle. So, and you want to put on the other side, and then you slide this in install the bearing. Okay. Again, you have to make sure the pad is seating correctly. This is on. And then you have to locate the hole for the pin. Okay. Then you put the pin in. Okay. Then you put this back. Okay. Then you put the bearing here, and then the slipper spring, and the lock slipper nut, and then you want to don't over tighten it at the beginning, so just make sure it sits flat, and then you put everything back in. So you attach the front belt, and then attach the rear belt. So it takes a bit of fiddling, but if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. Okay, that's one, and then I want to locate this, go over. Okay, now it goes back in. Okay, and you can now put everything back. That's just a lot of screws, and then there you go. A couple more. Now one more. Now the Thumb Design slipper lay shaft is installed. Then of course you will go through the same procedure of how to set the slipper. You know, we talked about this many times, so again I won't go through again. But the rule of thumb is I would always use my thumb to check, and if the slipper is too tight, then you will have no slipper action, and you will strip the gear, and then you just lift the car, just lift. It's undrivable. But if the slipper is too loose, the spur gear just spins, and then you have no forward traction. Now with the Thumb Design Layshft, it holds everything together, and it gives more reliability, and it has been race proven, and there we have the Thumb Design Layshft installation video.